Hey guys, sorry for the lack of quality of the audio in the video. The GoPro footage is the one I'm going to have to use because the other audio corrupted. I'm so sorry, my videos aren't usually like this if this is the first one you're tuning into. I'm so sorry. Stay tuned, enjoy the video. And today is the day, let's go, come on. Hey guys, welcome to a new video on the channel. Today we're going to be talking about my experience with Stockx, and in the sneaker releases video I said I was going to pick these ones up. If you haven't seen the video, go watch it. I go through all my top 5 releases for 2018. If you're interested, you can watch it, it's still there. It should be the video before this, or the one before that. So we're going to jump straight in. We have the shoes from Stockx delivered. I have a couple of stats before we go in. I bought them at the price of £63. They were then charged with a processing fee and a shipping fee. The processing fee was £21.99 and the shipping fee came out to be £13.50. So all that added together was £98.49 and that was in pounds. We have an authentication centre in the UK. I don't know why, but I don't think they used it in this one. I'll explain later. It's just a couple of details, and the processing fee shouldn't be that high. So we're just going to jump straight into it. So I've got the shoes right here for you. So yeah. Oh, whoa. Right. So they've got the box. I've just took the label off because last time I left it on and it caused an issue. Oopsie! We've got the box. It's just a standard box. We're just going to get right into it. I have the knife. Right. So hopefully there should be a size 9 in here because Stockx is the US size on the website. So I went for a size 9 UK, so that's a size 10 US. We'll wait and see. So here we have it. We just open the box. There's nice packaging to make sure the box doesn't get damaged. You've got the bubbles. These will be fun to pop later. Here we go. Here's the box. What else to take out here? Get rid of that. Here we go. So it's just a standard Air Force box with a special Air Force box, and this is for the Easter 18s. I'm so glad I copped them. Let's get right into it. I'll double check the size. Yes, so it is a UK 9, thank God. So these should be authentic fully, as they went through an authentication centre. They went through the one in the US for some reason, I don't know. Since I'm UK based, they should have been through the UK one, but I don't know if it's maybe just because there was no Easter 18s in the UK to be shipped out, that they were sent to the US one. Let's jump straight into it. So firstly, as I opened it, it has a leaflet telling me my order number and the shoes that I got, and it also has this Stockx label. So as it says, snap a pic, show us your verified authentic tag, upload to Instagram, hashtag Stockx, get featured, and brag to your friends. Yeah, I won't be doing that, but it's just a nice bit of detail they put into it. Yeah. So we'll jump straight in, and this is the shoes hopefully. Here we go. Already noticed a bit of a mark of the sole, but that can be cleaned hopefully. And this is what was in the box. So it's Easter 18s. I love this shoe. Ever since I seen it when it came out, I wanted to get it, but it sold out, so I couldn't. It's made of a mesh upper toe box. It has a bit of suede on it, and it has a bit of patent leather and just normal leather. I think the colours definitely scream Easter, as you'll see. I'll pop it up next to it. The colours definitely scream Easter. You've got the teal colours, the blue, you've got the magenta pinks, you've got the yellows. It just looks insane, and you've got the cream colour with the yellow tip laces, if I can show you them. Don't know if that'll come out very well. It's like a metal yellow tip lace. So this is a size 9 UK. It all looks in good condition, as since it came from Stockx it should be authentic. If I show you the left shoe, and you'll be able to see why. So if you've never bought from Stockx before, what they do is when they've authenticated the process in the shoe, they put a tag on it that can't be, once you get rid of it, you can't send it back. So I'll check after I finish recording, just make sure there's nothing wrong with them. But it's just a verified tag, so it just says verified authentication on it. And it's just wrapped around the shoe, so it can't come off unless you take it off, and then it can't go back on. I genuinely love this shoe. It'll be so hard to match with, but what I'll do is I'll show you guys an on foot instead of a full outfit because I don't have anything to match them yet. But yeah, I'll quickly go over the whole process and then we'll jump straight into the on foot review. So with them I bid on the 11th of January, well, I bid previously, but I forgot about it, so it was accepted on the 11th of January, as I said, for £63. It then came out to £98.49 after all taxes and stuff. On the 11th of January, the seller shipped it out already to the Stockx authentication place. Then it arrived 2 days later, and it done a 2-day authentication process, and it was shipped from the Stockx place to my house, sorry, on the 15th, and they arrived on the 16th as I'm recording. What was said on the text, it was DHL that delivered it, but DHL usually has a good delivery rate. It said on the text that it was going to be Friday, so I wasn't getting my hopes up for today, but it came. I actually just woke up when it came, so thank God. But I love the shoe, and I'm so glad. I can't wait to wear it with stuff in general. I've got a couple of ideas what I can do it with, so we'll wait and see how that turns out. But overall, my experience with Stockx is good, although I feel like there was a lot of wasted money in the whole authentication in the US, but it could have been done in the UK. I just feel like if you've got an authentication service in the UK, why not use it when it comes to UK buyers? Although it is a good shoe, and it is, for all that I've looked at it now, it looks fine and there's nothing wrong with them. Then it comes to the point where I need to ship them back to the US one. Just causes a lot of issues. Although Stockx is doing brilliant business right now, as I said, they have opened the UK one. It just feels like to proceed, they need to make sure the sale, like if you actually are from the UK, you're getting it for the UK one, as the processing fee is a bit high. That's expected when you've got an authentication process. £21.99 for this shoe isn't that bad, but when it comes to dearer shoes, then it just pushes that authentication price right up. So that's the only issue really I have with Stockx. Like, I love Stockx, and I will continue to buy from them, but it's just that whole issue there. The processing fee just adds so much to your budget, and it generally sometimes makes you think like, oh, I'm not going to buy it anymore. But if you need them, you'll buy the shoe. This was my whole talk on the process of Stockx. So I'll just quickly jump to the on-foot review. So yeah. Well, right, so you've just seen the on-foot review. They're insane shoes, I love them so much. But that was my whole experience with Stockx. Only took 5 days in total to get here, which is insane. I've heard it taking a bit longer usually. And it actually gave me an estimated date of 22nd and 23rd of January, but it came so much earlier as it's the 16th. So it is a great company, I love Stockx, I'll continue to buy from them. I just hope they can get the UK processing, etc. sorted out. So yeah guys, if you want to tell me how your experience with Stockx has been, if you guys have ever ordered from them, just let me know in the comments below. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe, it helps me out. We're actually on 8 subscribers now, gained 2 in the last couple of days, so thank you guys. Yeah, peace out, see you next one, peace.